This yoga pose is called I dropped a chip under the couch and the 5-minute rule still applies. It's a chore to be healthy. So most people, like me, just choose not to choose.
While other people somehow have the motivation to go running at 5 a.m.
Hey! You don't have to do this!
Am I just jealous that I don't have the self-control to get in shape? No. But every day there's a new fad diet or workout, and none of them make me feel healthy.
And you can only run on a treadmill for so long before you realize you're not going anywhere.
But now, there's Frélii. Frélii does away with Instagram diets and one-size-fits-none bikini body exercises. Instead, it uses Navi, an advanced biotechnology AI to deliver you personalized and specific information about what your body needs. Everything you eat and do affects how you feel. For less than the cost of Netflix, Frélii uses my input from a detailed questionnaire to give me a personalized diet and exercise plan. You'll also get access to detailed meal plans and shopping lists to help keep you on track. Not only has it made my exercise more effective, but it's also made me feel healthy for the first time in a long time. Even though I still slip up every now and then. But Frélii is more than just personalized diet and exercise plans. They use my 23andMe info and a blood sample to securely analyze hundreds of data points about my health and about my potential to develop serious conditions such as diabetes and cancer, which was scary. I thought I'd be like a fortune teller with only bad news. Is that bad?
It's not good.
But Frélii was created to give you the right information. By helping you know what your body needs and what it doesn't, Frélii will suggest simple lifestyle changes that will help you feel healthier, have more energy, and give you greater power to dictate your own life. You can even go running at 5 a.m. if you want. You can. I still won't.